can tell you guys suck at this, so you guys gotta go slower.
Who, me?
No.
Me? I suck?
No, everybody else does.
I don't.
What, guys? What?
No,
Evan
dude,
does.
he's like he's the farthest behind, like all the time.
Yeah, I'm talking about you guys have to use your back brain.
First of all, the main thing is Vinny, he's slow.
No,
Mike,
you're
okay, guys, you ready?
I need 3.
Ready? Casey's like lit. You guys ready?
Casey's like doesn't even know what we're talking about.
Go.
Are you guys ready?
No, Ben.
Let's go.
Mike, finish that 1. I need 3.
I gotta get my bag.
Oh, dude, you have to put in annotation that says Evan can.
Yeah, I will.
Alright, Vinny, go.
Hey, Alex, you're strong. Come here.
Dude, I'm actually...
Go. We're following you.
Yo,
Where'd you get this?
stop, bro.
Walmart. 100
Don't change that.
Oh, shit.
See, Alex, come here. I don't know how to just keep it. Alex.
Let's go.
No.
Yo, face it a little bit.
Guys, wait up!
Yo, face it a little bit.
Stacy, get your helmet.
Yeah, there you go. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Guys, hold up! Oh,
Let me go first.
wait, I see them.
Yo, give me a flash, Vinny. Let me go. I'm on your right side. Watch out. Tell me if there's a flash, right? Flashing.
Yeah, it is. Like red? Yeah, you're good. Yo, this is sick. Guys, hold up! We're waiting for Casey!
Let's go, Nate.
Guys, hold up, wait up! Guys, we need to wait for Vin and Case! Cool! Nice! Go! Just go, just go.
Where does this lead to?
Near Casey's house. What? What? Nobody fucked themselves. Guys, nobody screw themselves up.
Someone go behind me. I will. Evan, you go behind me.
Yeah,
No,
this
I
is
got
gonna
you.
be scary as hell.
Someone go behind. Evan, go behind me so you know how it is. Yeah, you go be
I'll go first.
No, I'm going first.
Okay,
Alright,
Casey,
ready?
go.
No, guys, hey, Alex, I'm behind you. I'm gonna go second.
I'm second.
I'm gonna go behind Mikey.
Guys, 1 at a time.
No, wait. Let's get it!
That's saltwater. Who likes it?
Evan clapped. Evan clapped.
Who?
Oh no, then who was that? Was that Casey?
What?
Casey fell.
Shit.
Yo, my brakes are clogged
Oh
up.
my god. Yo, how's Casey doing?
He fell.
Yeah, that's
I know,
not funny
I
though.
watched. Wait, my brakes are jammed.
Yo, I hope I don't get ticks or anything.
Wait, is it Evan and Alex? Are you still recording?
I'm not
Yeah.
my dad.
Dude, this could be some drama to the vlog. No, do uncut. Don't even edit.
Dude, I almost wrecked
Alex,
you. I
don't
couldn't
even
stop,
edit.
dude. My brakes
I
are
know, but
jammed.
people are swearing.
You guys move, move.
What's your guys? No, Ben, I would stop.
Hey guys.
Yo, Casey.
So how we doing?
Casey, you have a bunch of scratches on your arm. Yeah,
Whoa, is that from right now?
yeah.
Yo, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm
Yo,
good.
yo, yo, get that on the vlog.
I'm
Here,
good,
come
I'm
here.
good.
Stand up.
I'm good.
Turn around,
Dude,
stand
you
up.
good? Let me see your arm. Oh, bruh.
I'm
Get it
really
right in the
Stand up.
camera. Get it right in the
Dude.
camera, dude.
Yeah, put it right up
Stand
here.
up. Look at that.
Oh, dude.
Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up, dude.
Alright, are we heading back?
Point it and
Let's go.
it's shooting.
This way is how we get
Yo.
me
Guys, we
see it
should make an
again.
inside joke.
Ah.
We should call it marijuana chicken. Yeah,
Nice.
yo, that's nasty. Alright, yo.
You okay? Yeah.
Alright, you guys ready? Here we go. Guys, our new inside joke is marijuana chicken. Here we go. Guys, let's go. We're moving to another location.
Yeah, you okay? That's my
We're
bike.
going somewhere else.
Oh, we're like at this
We're near Casey's house.
we're near Casey's house on this trail.
Yeah, turn around, turn around. You okay?
Need a band-aid or something.
All right, yeah.
You can do an hour.
Guys, you guys want to go over to my house for a swim after?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be lit. His house is huge.
I know it is, but I don't have my bathing suit.
No,
It's fine.
you
We
can
can
get
just
it.
jump in.
Yeah, they can. Well,
Yeah, we all can.
Evan can, Casey can, Alex, or Nate.
I'll call my...
Guys, go! Go!
If I land in dirt, that'll...
I have to call my dad after.
I know, just fuck it. Who gives a shit about Casey? Casey's a savage.
You're always alright. Let's go.
Casey will like fall down, break his leg, and get up, and then start like laughing, and then start crying.
Yeah, I know.
Like he'll laugh before he'll start crying. Where did you even fall? Thank God you didn't hit like a rock.
Guys, I don't want to call.
Guys, dude, I'm on like this side. Yeah! We all do!
I might just go to my house and get a band-aid.
Guys, everybody get a drink to rehydrate.
Yeah, everybody get a drink.
Oh, shit.
Stop. This is... You
Ah!
have to edit more after. Yeah, no, don't let me know.
Actually, yeah, guys. I sprayed myself right in my... You guys want to put on bug spray?
Yeah,
I have some.
I'm fine.
Everyone have
Who
a
wants
sip of-
some?
Anyone have a sip of water I can have?
No.
Can I go to my house real quick and get a band-aid or something?
Yeah,
Dude, I actually thought I'd bring a band-aid. Yo, guys, where's
Like,
Vinny
legit.
at? Because
Oh, dude.
let's go to like Vinny's
Hold on, shut up.
Yeah, well, my dad, we have to go all
Can I go to Vinny's
I know
house
you
after we're biking for a swim?
Yo, guys, you want to come with me in my
Can
house?
I go to Vinny's house after biking for a swim? Alright. Like, a little bit after 3.
Vin,
Alright.
I need to use your phone.
I don't need a sweat. I don't need swim stuff or anything.
Yo, you have
I'm fine.
dirtier than
Yo, do you have a like a towel so I can just rinse
I
myself?
have like 30 towels.
Do you have
Yeah.
another
I just
extra
asked
band-aid?
you if I need one.
I need one. I don't need a band-aid.
No.
Okay, bye.
Wait, might be the
Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go
Text
to
your
your
phone.
house.
I need
I'm
to call my
sweating
dad.
shit.
on
What's the number?
Can get it
781.
Dude, I swear, are you okay?
781.
I'm good.
Oh my god, dude.
No,
Yeah,
if
let's go
that
to
gets anything on it, it's gonna probably...
Yeah, one sec.
We have to go. How close to your house?
Guys, be quiet. It's right up there. It's right
Guys,
up
shut
there.
up. He's calling his mom.
Casey,
Alex, chuck me some after.
I got you.
yeah, stop talking.
Yeah, no, guys.
It's fucking 100 degrees out.
No, it's not. It's like 87.
Yo, can I have a sip of that?
Hey,
No, when... Casey, remember when we were coming here? It was 90.
come on. Come on, come on. Catch. Go.
Remember it was 90 when we were coming here? Dude, we're
Holy
gonna get
shit,
so
I think I
fucking
got a
burnt.
sunburn.
I'm not. I'm just gonna get even blacker.
We're gonna get... Oh, shut up.
Casey, are you actually black?
He's like coffee
This is
color.
like the best fun you've
Hey.
ever had.
Whose is this?
Don't
Yeah.
waste that water, Vin.
That was kind of weird.
Yo,
how my
I'm gonna
dad-
go run
how
to my house.
mom
Everybody
came.
move the bikes away.
You kept looking at her like, what the hell is she
Alright,
wearing?
Mikey.
Who?
You.
My guys,
you
don't
were like,
I need to
"What
go
the
out back
hell?"
in half an hour. Look how
Yo,
she's bike on
Casey,
this side.
Casey, how long will it
Nate,
take you,
did she
Casey?
say yes?
I have to go back in half an hour.